there something we have to do?
See, this is where he's about to fly this way.
I just think it's funny that you can't figure out the glass.
There's no way we can help it. Is there?
Yeah, you can pick it up.
I wouldn't pick
Oh
up
no, I'm not going near that.
It's a fucking seagull.
You do it then. That'll be funny. I'll film it.
Now what?
Put it over the edge. Yeah. Yeah. No, don't throw it. Like just put it over here.
Put it onto the whip. Fucking seagull, it flies.
Oh yeah, of course. No, I thought it had a broken wing.
You
or
two being
something.
like, oh, it's a fucking seagull!
No, it's like we've never been near.
You
Like,
got bird braiding.
yeah.